Ki tāmaki makaurau, ko tia Tahau o Ngāti Tūwharetoa, he tauira huahua pūweru i tōna tau tuatoru, kua waihanga i tētahi kohinga pūweru, he mea hihiri ake i ngā kōrero mō tōna tupuna mo te Rangitāhau o Tūwharetoa. He rangatira, he tohunga, he toa o mua. Kei a Jess Tyson, nā whakamārama.
He whakakitenga o te auwahatanga, he mea hihiri nā tōna tupuna i tōna wā.
It started off kind of discovering one of my ancestors, Te Rangitāhau, that's the name of the collection, and kind of working my way from who he was as a person in the Māori world and then who I am as a person in the modern world.
He rangatira he tohunga hoki no Tūwharetoa a te Rangitāhau i ngā rautau 18. Ka mauheretia ia ki whare kauri ki te taha o te kōti, a inoho ko ia tētahi o ngā tino apataki.
There was a lot of cultural mixture happening between the Māori and the Pākehā, and I think he is a person who stands as kind of like this symbol of how you can be Māori and integrate into society with Pākehā, but still hold your protocols and your tikanga close to you. Through this collection, I wanted to show people that Māori culture can be modern and Māori designers can actually imbue their own identity into their design without it having to appease to a certain stereotype.
Ka hua mai ngā whakaromo e tahi o ana kākahu i ngā tikanga tuku iho, pēnei i tēnei kahu tiki hope.
This is one of the bone pendant pieces, and this is just made out of wire frame with our pounamu, which are our own special pendants. Sometimes they're made of bone, and I wanted to represent that. I learnt that with muka o harakeke, to preserve it, they would traditionally put it in like a mud bath and let it sit in there, and then that would preserve the harakeke from going off again. So with the tar, it's kind of like the same process of dipping it and then preserving the sculptural object.
Ka whakapōtai hia ai a tāhau, ka hanga kākahu tonu ia, a ka whae kia mahitahi hoki ki ētahi atu kai hoa hoa.
I want creatives of Māori descent or Pacifica descent to be able to look at this design and be like, I can make clothing which is representative of myself and of my culture, of my ancestry, but is also still sitting in the modern world.
Jess Tyson, te ao mārama.